Hello and welcome to the world of recipes. This is Vaishali and today's recipe is eggless chocolate cake in microwave in 5 minutes. This is one of my initial recipes and after seeing your tremendous response to this recipe, I have decided to make it in HD quality for all of you. Quickly see the ingredients. Maida or all-purpose flour 1.5 cup, sugar 1 cup, cocoa powder 3 tablespoons, milk 1 cup, baking powder half teaspoon, baking soda 1/4 teaspoon, lemon juice about 1 tablespoon, vegetable oil about 2 tablespoons. Let's start with the recipe now. First we need to dissolve the sugar in this milk. Mix it vigorously till the sugar dissolves in this. Now this sugar is completely dissolved in this milk. Now we'll mix all the dry ingredients together. This all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda, and we are going to mix them together nicely. Now they all are blended well. Now we are going to sift this mixture in the milk mixture. Now all the powders are nicely sifted in the milk powder. Now mix them nicely with the milk. Make sure there should be no lumps while mixing. Now you can see very smooth mixture has formed. Now I am going to add this oil to this. This oil will give smooth texture to this cake as we are not using any butter in this cake. If you don't use this oil, the cake will be dry. You can replace this oil with melted butter. And now finally we are going to add this lemon juice. It is for quick activation of the soda by carb. As we are making it in microwave, we need quick activation of baking soda in this mixture. Now our mix is ready. Now we are going to transfer it in a microwave safe bowl, which I have already greased with butter. I am going to pour this batter into this. Now all the mix has been transferred to the bowl. Now tap this pot for some time so that all the trapped air should come out. Now this cake will go to the microwave for 5 minutes on high temperature. Every microwave temperature is different. In my microwave it is get cooked in 5 minutes. Your microwave may take more time, so you can check after 5 minutes, and if it's not cooked, you can keep it for more 1 minute like that. It should not take more than 7 minutes for cooking. This cake is out of the microwave now. Let's check it. This skewer is coming out clear. That means it's cooked properly. Check on the other sides as well. It's perfectly cooked from all the sides. Let it cool down for 1 minute and then take it out from the vessel. Now the cake is cooled. Now let's remove from the sides first. The sides are easily coming off. As I can feel, this cake is very soft. Now let's take out the cake. It's leaving the pot properly. Perfect. The cake is still hot from inside. As you can see, it's very soft cake. Let's cut it. See, the cake is so soft. This yummy chocolate cake is ready in 5 minutes. I'm sure this video will clear all your doubts about this cake. Thanks for watching these recipes. For more recipes, keep on watching World of Recipes.